Here's how you can make mini sourdough loaves.
The first and most important ingredient is your sourdough starter. You want your starter to be at its peak when you start your recipe. It's going to depend on how strong your starter is. I fed this around 22 to 24 hours ago.
Add 80 grams of sourdough starter to a bowl and 1,200 grams of purified water and stir to combine. Add 1,500 grams of bread flour and 20 grams of salt. Mix until you reach a shaggy mess. Then rest 15 minutes to an hour. Then perform 3 series of stretch and folds or coil folds as shown in the video above with 15-minute increments between. Then rest overnight until properly proofed.
Good morning. It has been 15 hours since we made this loaf of sourdough. And now it's time for the most challenging part of making sourdough, knowing when your loaf is properly proofed. This is challenging for 2 reasons. The first is everyone's starter is different. If you use the exact same amount of starter as me, you can get wildly different times. One thing I'll hear people online say is that your sourdough is proofed when it doesn't stick to you. I found that not to be consistent at all because sticking is a moisture issue, not a proofing issue. Your loaf will tell you when it's properly proofed. It will be domed on top, plenty of bubbles, jiggles, but doesn't deflate when you shake it. If it deflates, it's overproofed.
For shaping, cut into 230-gram balls. Then flatten and pull the outside to the center. Then flip over and pull on the surface. Flatten it out again, roll it, and then keep pulling until you get a tight dough. Wrap in a flour towel in plastic wrap and rest for upwards of 48 hours. Place on parchment paper and score with a sharp knife. Then put them in a preheating pot that's been set to 500 degrees. Then bake for 15 minutes. Turn the temperature down to 450. Take the lid off and cook for another 10 minutes. Then you'll have the perfect mini loaves. Enjoy!